for this. Show you what's going on. Got an interview.
Okay.
Alex, now you can tell the kind of tough guys you're dealing with by their reaction to what happens behind them.
I mean, I can work out all day, and obviously I'm an
Ew.
myself.
Oh, man. This guy's like, yeah, whatever. He'll be fine. Check this out. The guy lands right on his beak. Here we go.
I'm an ex-athlete.
I don't know. I've never tried to get on a treadmill full speed. The treadmill's flying here, and this poor guy just
didn't even see it.
No, he thought he was just going to walk right on. We're all set there. This guy's reaction.
That's a fun cushion right there.
Yeah, that really is. All right.
Tough to watch.
If you're going to get on the treadmill, make sure you stop it first. Here's a look at what's going on. Sandia Peak, things are pretty quiet at this point, looking down onto the valley floor. Nice evening out there and a pretty warm evening as well with mainly clear skies. Another nice day on the way for tomorrow with temperatures a little warmer than what we had today. As far as showers go, not much out there. A few sprinkles trying to get going in the northeast, but not going to see a lot of success there. 81 degrees in the city. South-southeast winds right now at 6 miles an hour. Temperatures across the northern half of the state, mainly 70s and 80s. Down to the south, 70s and 80s as well. We're still at 93 in Deming. Today's highs definitely very warm across the southwestern portion of the state, and high pressure helping to boost temperatures there and across the north, mainly dealing with the 80s today, and down across the southeast, 80s and 90s for tomorrow. Temps go even higher across the area. Showers tonight are diminishing to our north. It was a decent shower day for the mountains of Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming. Now that is starting to die down at least a bit. We've got a couple different types of juice headed in our direction in the form of precip, but for tomorrow it's mainly going to be a pretty warm one out there with the high sitting overhead and allowing for temperatures to really skyrocket across the area. Take a look at some of these numbers for tomorrow. 102 Roswell, 104 Carlsbad, triple digits Alamogordo and Deming. Here in Albuquerque, 93, 85 in Las Vegas, and 88 in Raton. But the change starts mainly on Thursday. We could see a shower or two tomorrow, but a little cold front into the northeast on Thursday will help to at least give us a few scattered storms here. It's not going to be a huge crop of storms, but a little bit's possible. And models are picking up on a little moisture, trying to work its way up from the south Friday into Saturday. Is this going to be a big deal? Not likely, but we could get a few showers out of this as well. So no sort of repeat of what we had last weekend, but we are likely to see at least a couple sprinkles. And you know what? Things do look decent as we look out ahead here for our El Nino. Now, we are looking more and more like we're going to see a moderate to strong El Nino. Well, the last two of those we've had were 1997 and 2006. So we decided to look back at the ocean temperatures on this date. What did they look like? Now, remember, 0.5 or above is an El Nino, and you can see we were already way high in 97, 1.4 degrees above average, approaching an El Nino at this point in 2006, and we're just about at an El Nino, a little over it in 2014. So what tends to happen to the precip in the summer and in the winter when we have strong or at least moderate El Ninos? Well, we look back to the year 2006 and 1997. So for the monsoon season in 1997, we're a little above average. We got about 4.5 inches. 2006, if you remember, that was a record year. We got hammered with rain. Now, if you go to the winter, we got 10 inches or about 11 inches of snow in the metro in 1997. If you remember 2006, we were buried in snow with one big storm. So what happens to us here in 2014? Well, it does look promising that we're going to have a chance to do pretty well in monsoon season and in the winter season. We'll keep you posted on that, but we thought we'd give you some historical numbers. 80s across the southwest for tomorrow, at least southwestern Colorado. 90 Farmington, 86 in Gallup, 85 in Grants. Down across the southwest, breezy west winds 15-25, gusts to 35 out there. Meanwhile, over to the southeast, sun and clouds, an isolated storm possible next couple of days, but look at those temperatures, triple digits, 3 out of the next 5 days. 87 Springer, 81 in Morin, 85 in Las Vegas. Isolated storms possible and winds up to 40. 70s, 80s, and low 90s over the northern mountains for tomorrow with a chance at an isolated shower. It's going to be windy in the East Mountains, temps in the 80s. And finally, right here in the metro area, temperatures in the low 90s for tomorrow. It will be sunny and breezy, and you can bet fire danger will be pretty high across the board here. And that fire danger likely continues into Thursday and Friday with temperatures continuing into the low 90s.
Nice, but a little hot.
You got it. And this time of year, you would expect it.
Well, very good. Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it.